Hey, what's going on everyone? Thanks for checking out the video and welcome back to Raleigh Outdoor Adventures. On this one, we're back out hot tent camping. It's just me in the hot tent this time. This old boy decided he's gonna do his own setup on this trip, but I do have Rusty with me in the truck, so he'll be spending the night with me in the hot tent. So, let's get after it. Hey buddy, come on out. Hey buddy, come here. Rusty, give me that leash. Oh,
Shake it off.
come here, buddy.
Shake it off.
Hey, dude, that was a long car ride, huh? Yeah, buddy. All right, first things first, I'm gonna get my tent set up, get the stove all built, and then we'll get to warming our bones. It is a little chilly, about -6 right now, but it's supposed to be an absolutely gorgeous day and absolutely gorgeous weekend. That's a real positive, but it is gonna be a little chillier at night, so I'm gonna be happy to have that nice stove in the tent.
There we go. That works.
Hey, bud. Yeah, good boy. You stay in camp, okay? You stay in camp, sir. Beauty. It's going to be an oddly busy weekend out here. It is the middle of March, and here in Alberta it's supposed to be a lot colder than it is right now. So there's a lot of folks out here ready to camp and have a good time, just like we are. So it might be a little bit of a different dynamic than we're used to, but there's nothing wrong with that. And again, I can't put this together apparently with the ability to talk at the same time, but I figured it out. Here we are. It's a weird pull. Let's get this thing pitched. All right, now I gotta put snow around the edges. All right, time to get that stove built. Beauty. The old girl has one more camp in her, which is nice. All right, I'm gonna clean this off my hands now. Yum. Now that the tent and the stove are all set up, I'm gonna get all our sleeping gear in there. I'm gonna try to fit Rusty's bed so he's a little more comfortable this trip. So let's see how that goes. All right, first things first, ground sheet. Rusty was a little cold last time we were in here, so I'm gonna sacrifice and give him his bed in here, and hopefully he'll be a little bit warmer. So now I'm gonna get all of the blankets in here and all the sleeping pads and everything, and hopefully we have a nice warm night. Beautiful. Double that up. My head's gonna go over here, so I'm nice and close to Rusty in the night because I have to sleep with a leash on with him. And other than that, I think all the gear is gonna go on this side, and then somehow I'm gonna maintain that that stove. Figure it out. We got this. All right, Rusty's blanket for his bed here. Oh. Give him a little bit of a layer at least. That should do him pretty good. I feel like it should do me pretty good too. Beautiful. Oh, it's just the rest of the gear now. Clothing bag in the tent. Bear spray for just in case. In the tent. And the old gearbox is gonna stay outside for now, but probably come inside with us so it stays nice and toasty warm in the night. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. You having fun? Huh? Come here. Hey. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? So I think all we have left for major chores is just finding firewood. That tree Andy and I cut down in our last trip, it's still kicking around with plenty of wood on it, so we're very blessed to have that. So I'm gonna head over there and start processing some wood and bringing everything over here so I have plenty to burn in the night. Hopefully I have a little more success with the stove in the night on this trip. Let's check out Mr. Andy's setup here. What's going on here, man? Got your own tent this time?
Yeah, this time I do.
So what do you got going on? What kind of sleeping arrangements you got going on in there?
Double wide air mattress, my sleeping bag, a few blankets. I got a couple pillows in there. It's pretty nice actually.
Glamping.
Yeah, more or less.
I'm going a little more hardcore. He's going a little more softcore. I know what it is.
I want to take it easy this time, so.
Yeah, well, it is what it is, my guy.
It is what it is. I'm getting hungry. Oh, Rusty, come on, buddy.
All right, we are definitely starting to get a little hungry, so we are gonna figure out something to do with food and then probably get to firewood because that is one of our more important chores. I definitely played the lazy man's game today for coffee, and I brought myself a nice big thermos of coffee from home because sometimes when you're out here, coffee is a little bit of a chore to make. So Brought some extra, so that way it can be coffee time a little more often. But I'm still gonna be able to cook and make coffee and all of that, obviously, because I'm a coffee hound. But I'm gonna make it a little easier on myself this trip with a couple extra cups. And, you know, nice amount of coffee to enjoy.
Smells good.
Oh, it's tasty, bud. Find a bone, sir. Did you find a bone? What is that, sir? You know, I'm just gonna let you have that because it's better than the stick. All right, we are skipping food, going straight to the wood because we don't know if any of the folks around here are gonna steal it on us. So, and by steal, I mean rightfully take it because it's for everyone. But we're gonna go claim some first, then we're gonna get the food. So, let's get to cutting.
That guy did say. Rusty, come here, buddy. You got that coat?
Oh, you got the big guns, eh?
Point all cut. Is that bar even big enough
Going
for
for
the base
limbs.
in there?
It might be.
Maybe, you never know.
Bore into it.
Watch the pooch.
Yeah.
No, it's all the city stuff. All the things separate.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it, man. That's great stuff. So our neighbor that's camping just down where we were last time was super cool and came over with his saw, helped us delimb that. So it was a nice and efficient process. It took way less time than we thought it was going to. Now we're just gonna get all the wood over to camp and we'll be good to go.